Hi guys, welcome to Ashwamedh IAS. I'm your Sudarshan. In this video, we shall see the questions based on a unit digit, and it's one of the odd favorite topic of UPSC. Multiple times there has been a question on unit digit in your UPSC CDS, CAPF, and civil service as well. So it's very odd favorite. You're not supposed to leave this question. So after watching this video, I'll ensure that any sort of questions based on unit digit you will be able to solve. Okay. So now. Let's see what is a unit digit. What do you mean by unit digit? Obviously, in a number, there will be different places. That is, if it is 2, 5, 2. So this would be the units place, this would be the tens place, and this would be the hundred place. This is how the places in a number. So they'll ask you some number to find out, and you're supposed to tell the unit digit of that number. Okay, so that's a, to find the unit digit. The only digit which is responsible is unit digit. Rest other digits has no role to play to finding the unit digit of the number. Example, now if it is 2, 5, 3 into 2, 6, 4, 8. Once you multiply these two numbers, you will get a product. So to find the unit digit of this product, you're supposed to multiply only the digits in the units place of these two numbers. That is, what is the digit in this number? 3. What is the digit in this number? 8. 8 3s are what? 24. So here 4, and later we'll carry it as 2. Hence the unit digit is what? 4. The unit digit is what? 4. Just you are multiplying the digits in the unit digit. That is 8 3s are what? 24. 24 2. So what is the unit digit? 4 is the unit digit. I hope it is clear. One more example. Example. 2, 5, 6 into 3, 4, 6. 3, 4, 6 into 2, 5, 6. 6 is 36. 6 is the unit digit. One more. 28 into 43. What is supposed to do? Multiply the digits in the unit digit of those two numbers. That is 8 3s are what? 24. So what is the unit digit number? 4 would be the unit digit number. Guys, prepare this question very thoroughly. Multiple times there has been a question in CAT, there has been a question in civil service, CDS, CAPF. Multiple times UPSC has asked the question based on unit digit. So don't leave this theme. I hope it is clear. So now, if you are multiplying any number, first we shall solve the questions. First we shall try to understand the questions based on unit digit. Later we shall solve the questions based on your previous year question papers. So now if it is 2 4 8 into 3 4 3 into 2 6 8 4 into 2 3 8 6, if it is like this, and you're supposed to find the unit digit of this product. What are you supposed to do? Just multiply the digits in the unit digit. That is what? 6 4s are what? 24. 6 4s are what? 24. What is the unit digit in 24? 4. What is the unit digit in the 24? 4. Now take that 4. 4 3s are 12. Again in 12, what is the unit digit? 2. In 12, what is the unit digit? 2. Where did this 12 come from? 6 4s are what? 24. Unit digit number is 4. 4 3s are what? 12. Unit digit number is 2. Again now 2 8s are 16. So here 6. The unit digit of this entire product would be what? 6. I hope it's clear. There is no doubt in these kinds of questions. Okay, fine. Before going to the questions, few themes let's understand. Now if you get a number that is A into B into C into D into so on and so forth up to whatever the number is, if you multiply the digits in the unit digit, you will get the unit digit of that product. But there are certain conditions where as soon as you see the question, you can easily find out the answer. That means look here, 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5, so on and so forth up to 10 if I ask, or up to 100 if you take. Now look here, any number, say for example here it is 99. If you consider 0 9s are 0, that means in a product, that is in a series or somewhere, anywhere in a series, anywhere, if there comes a number 0, in the unit digit, then the unit digit of that entire product would be what? 0. Why? Because 0 multiplied with any digit would be 0 itself. So sometimes you might get confused. Properly analyze it. Okay, one thing. Now if they ask you to find out the unit digit by giving, that is ABC number, any number to the power of A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Any number to the power of any number. Now, in this unit digit, what are the digits I can put? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the only digits I can put in this place. Place. Yes or no? Yes. Now, the condition is, if I put 0 here, 0 into 0 into 0. Example, 10 to the power of 10 if I consider, 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 it will come. 0 into 0, 0. That means anything to the power of dash dash dash, anything to the power of 0 whole to the power of any number whole to the power of A, B, C, D, the unit digit would be 0. Unit digit would be what? 0. I hope it is clear. Why 0? I hope you are able to understand. Now, if I put 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 itself, that means, so in the unit digit, if I get 0, the unit digit would be 0. If I put 1, that means, if it is 231 to the power of 231, what would be the unit digit number? 1 itself. Why? 1 to the power of 231, 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 into how many times? 231 times. So, hence the unit digit would be what? 1 itself. So that means, look here, first, if you differentiate the problems, in the first kind of problems, in the first type of problems, just you will multiply the digits in the unit digit. After that, you will find the unit digit. I hope you have got it. Sir, please solve the questions. We shall solve the questions based on unit digit in the further class. That means there are few questions based on CAT, CDS and CAPF. Multiple questions are there. We shall solve those questions. So now, that means if you get 0, unit digit would be 0. 1, unit digit would be 0. And, 1 itself. If it is 5, 5 itself. That means, look here. Okay, I'm writing here. We'll write here. Yeah. Yes, yeah. Now, 5 square is what? 25. Similarly, 25 square is what? 625. Similarly, 15 square is what? 225. That means 5 to the power of any number would be equal to some number, and in the unit digit, the digit would be what? 5 itself. The digit would be what? 5 itself. That means a number 0 in the unit digit to the power of something, the unit digit would be 0. 1 in the unit digit would be 1 itself. 5, the unit digit would be 5 itself, and another one number which comes is 6. That means I am concluding here, dash 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 dash. This is the unit digit. You are supposed to find the unit digit of any power. Now, hope it's visible. Now, in this unit digit, if it is 0, 1, 5 or 6, 0, 1, 5 or 6, that means in the unit digit, if it comes 0, then the unit digit would be 0 itself. If it comes 1, the unit digit would be 1 itself. If it comes 5, the unit digit would be 5 itself. If it is 6, the unit digit would be 6 itself. I hope it's clear. Now, the remaining digits which have been left as 2, 3, 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These are the digits you are supposed to find out. If these digits come, how you are supposed to do? Guys, observe carefully. Any number, that means, again I am telling you, 100 to the power of 1000 to the power of any unit digit would be 0. 1001 to the power of anything, unit digit would be 1. 1005 to the power of anything, unit digit would be 5. 1006 to the power of anything, the unit digit would be 6. I hope it's clear. Now, apart from 0, I can get the remaining digits, that is 2, 3, 4, 7, 8 and 9. Here I am applying the concept of cyclicity. Here I am applying the concept of what? Cyclicity. That means, look here. First we shall see for 2, which unit digit will I get? It's across every problem, the same theme, the same concept. There is nothing change. Easily you can solve. Okay, fine. We'll check with 2, 3 and 4, 7, 8, 9. Look here. Now, if I get 432 whole to the power of any number, or I'll consider 5, 6, 7, 8. If I consider this, you are supposed to find the unit digit of 2 itself. If you are finding the unit digit of 2, then you will be finding the unit digit of entire 432. That means to find the unit digit, the digit responsible is the digit in the units place. Now I'll see 2 power 1 is 2, 2 square is 4, 2 to the power of 3 is 8, 2 to the power of 4 is 16, 2 to the power of 5 is 32, 2 to the power of 6 is 64, 2 to the power of 7 is 128, 2 to the power of 8 is 256, 2 to the power of 9 is 512. What is the observation you can make is, if it is 2 to the power of 1, 2, 2 square is 4, 2 cube is 8, 2 power 4 is 6, 2 power 5 is 2, 4, 8, 6, again 2, 4, 8, 6, 2, 4, 8, 6, that means the digit of the 2 to the power of, that is the digit to the 2 to the power of numbers repeats at a cycle of what? 4, repeats at a cycle of what? 4. 2, 4, 8, 6, 2, 4, 8, 6, 2, 4, 8, 6. What is supposed to do? Now, if it is 2 to the power of 6, if you consider 2 to the power of 6, the digit, the unit digit of 2 powers repeats at a cycle of what? 4. The unit digit of 2 powers repeats at a cycle of what? 4. Take out the power. Take out the power. 6. At what cycle it repeats? 4. Divide it by 4. 4 ones are 4. 2. What is the remainder? 2 is the remainder. 2 is the remainder. That means the remainder would be, right, 2 square. That is, the unit digit would be 4. I hope it's clear. That means, see, 2 power 6 is 64, 4. Once again, I am telling you nothing. Unit digit of 2 repeats at a cycle of what? 4. So what you're supposed to do? You're supposed to take the power. What is the power? If it is 2 power 6, you're supposed to find the unit digit. Take 2 power 6 power. 6 divided by 4. Why this 4? 4 is because the unit digit of 2 repeats such a cycle of what? 4. So 4 ones are 4. 2 is the remainder. You're supposed to consider what? Remainder. You're supposed to consider what? Remainder. So now the remainder is what? 2. That means 2 power 6 unit digit will also be equals to 2 power 2. That's it. Here 2 power 2 is what? 4. I hope it's clear. 2 power 2 is what? 4. If you divide by 4, I hope it is clear. Now look here. Okay. If you divide any number by 4, you will get a remainder of 0, 1, 2 and 3, not 4. 0, 1, 2 and 3, not 4. Okay. Similar. Okay, fine. 2 power 8, you are supposed to find the remainder of unit digit of 2 power 8. What is supposed to do? Take out the unit digit, that is 8. What is supposed to do? You divide it by 4. 4 twos are what? 8. So what is the remainder? 0 is the remainder. What is 2 power 8? 2 power 8 is 256. That means if you get a 0 as the remainder, the unit digit would be similar to that of 2 power 4, that is 6. If you get 1 as the remainder, the unit digit would be same that of 2 power 1, that is 2. If you get 2 as the remainder, the unit digit would be same as that of 2 power 2, that is equal to 4. If you get 3 as the remainder, the unit digit is same to that of 2 power 3, that is 8. I hope it's clear. If the digit in the units place is 2, it repeats such a cycle of what? Repeats such a cycle of 4. What is supposed to do? Take out that power, divide it by 4. What is the remainder, right? If you get 4, it would be equal to 2 power 1. If you get if you get 0 as the remainder, it would be equal to 2 power 4. If you get 1 as the remainder, it would be equal to 2 power 1. 2 as the remainder, 2 power 2. 3 as the remainder, 2 power 3. 4 as the remainder, you won't get 4 as the remainder when you divide a number by 4. Hence, it would be same as that of the 2 power 4. I hope it's clear. Any doubts? No doubts. Now, what do you got? 0 in the unit digit, 0. 1 in the unit digit, 1. 2 in the unit digit repeats at a cycle of, At a cycle of what? 4. What is supposed to do? Take out the power. What? Take out the power. Divide it by what? Divide it by 4. Make these notes properly. Divide it by 4. If you divide any number by 4, you will get a remainder of 0, 1, 2 and 3. That's it. You won't get a remainder of 4. If you get 0 as the remainder, that unit digit would be similar to the top 2 power 4. 2 power 4 is equal to 16. That unit digit would be 6. If you divide by the power by 2, if you get a remainder of 1, that unit digit would be same as that of 2 power 1. If it is 2, that is 2 power 2. If it is 3, that is 2 power 3. 2 power 3 is 8, 2 power 2 is 4, 2 power 1 is 2, 2 power 4 is 16, that is 6 is the remainder. Now, one example, that is 2 power of, if not, 482 whole to the power of 482. 480 to the power of 482. What is supposed to do? You are supposed to find the unit digit. 482. What is the digit in the units place? 2. What is supposed to do? Repeat at a cycle of what? 4. Take that power. That is 482. If you take 482, divide it by what? Divide it by 4. Divided by 4. Why I have divided by 4? I have divided it by 4 because the unit digit in the 2's place, the repeats such a cycle of what? Repeats such a cycle of 4. Hence 4 ones are 4, 0, 8 brought down, 4 twos are 8, 0. What is the brought down? 2 brought down, 4 zeros are 0. What is the remainder? 2 is the remainder. That means 482 whole to the power of 482's unit digit will be similar to the top 2 power 2, will be similar to the top 2 power 2, which is equal to 4. Which is equal to 4. I hope you have got it. Any doubts here? No doubts. It's clear. Okay. Now, 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, cycle of 4. Cycle of 4. 3. Let's see 3. 5, it's 5 itself. 6 is 6 itself. Now we have, let's find out for 3. What is 3 power 1? Same. 3 power 1 is 3. 3 square is 9. 3 power 3 is 27. 3 power 4 is 81. Again, 3 power 5 is 343. Yes, sorry, 243. It is 243. Again, 3971. 3971. The digit of 3. If a digit that is 3 in the units place also repeats such a cycle. What? Also repeats such a cycle of 4. Now we got 2. If a digit in the units place is 2, it repeats such a cycle of what? 4. If it is 3, it repeats such a cycle of what? 4. I hope it's clear. Yes. Now what is supposed to do? Nothing. Same. That is, if it is 3 power 8, 3 power 8, take 8, divide it by 4. You are supposed to take the power, divide it by 4. Why I am supposed to take 4? I am supposed to take 4 because the unit digit of 3 repeats such a cycle of what? 4. So 4 twos are what? 8. 0 is the remainder. If 0 is the remainder, that unit digit would be similar to the top 3 power 4. 3 power 3, 2 3 power 2, 1 3 power 1. Because 0, 3 power 4 is 0. That means why? Because if you divide any number by 4, you will get a remainder of 0, 1, 2, 3. You can't get a remainder of 4. Hence, obviously, if you divide 4 by 4, the remainder would be 0. I hope it's clear. Again, 3 also repeats such a cycle of what? 4. 3 also repeats such a cycle of what? 4. I hope it's clear. Now you got 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 you got. Now let's see for 4. Let's see for 4. Okay, if a digit in the units place is 4. If a digit in the units place is 4, that means 4 power 1 is 4. 4 square is 16. 4 power 3 is 64. 4 power 4 is 4 power 4 is 4 is 16. 6 1 carries 256. That means here the cycle of 4 is what? 2. 4 6 4 6 4 6 4 6 4 6. Irrespective of the number. Look here. 1 is what? Odd number. If it is odd, 4. If it is even 6, odd 4, even 6, odd 4, even 6. That means the unit digit, if the digit in the units place is 4, if the digits in the unit place is 4, and if it is for odd number of times, if the digit in the units place is 4, and if it is for odd number of times, then the unit digit would be 4. That means 234 whole to the power of 233. What would be the unit digit number? The unit digit number would be 4. Why? Because it's a odd number. Irrespective of the number. If the power is odd, then the digit in the unit place would be 4. Now, if it is 234 whole to the power of 254. If it is 234 whole to the power of 254. What it is? It's an even number. If it is an even number, then the unit digit would be 6. If it is an even number, then the unit digit would be 6. That means if the digits in the unit place is 4, then if it is odd power, the unit digit would be 4, and if it is even power, the unit digit would be 6. If it is even power, then the unit digit would be 6. Once again, revision. Any number in the units place 0 to 9, the digits can be from 0 to 9. If it is 0, then the unit digit would be 0. 1 itself. 2 repeats such a cycle of what? 4. What are you supposed to do? You are supposed to divide that power by 4. If you get 0 as the remainder, that unit digit would be similar to that of 2 power 4. 1 as remainder, 2 power 1, 2 as remainder, 2 power 2, 3 as remainder, 3 power 3. If the digit is 3, same thing, you are dividing it by what? 4. Why? The cycle repeats such a cycle of 3 itself. 0 remainder, 3 power 4, 1 remainder, 3 power 1, 2 remainder, 3 power 2, 3 remainder, 3 power 3. If it is 5, the unit digit would be 5 itself. If it is 6, the unit digit would be 6 itself. If it is 4, if the digit in the unit place is 4, then the unit digit would be, if it is an odd power, then the unit digit would be 4. If it is even power, the unit digit would be 6. If it is odd power, it is 4, and even power, it is 6. I hope it's clear. Look here, guys, these questions has to be thoroughly analyzed. You have got for 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remaining is what? 7, 8, 9. That is 7, 8, and 9. Find out. Similar method you are applying. 7 to the power of 1 is 7. 7 square is 49. 7 to the power of 3 is 343. Find out 7 to the power of 4 is 343 into 7. That is 2401. 2401. Yeah, 2401. Again, if you are multiplying it with the 7, it repeats. It's a cycle of 7 to the power of 5. Again, similarly, that is 2401 into, of course, one more 7 comes. 7 ones are 7. That means here also dash the unit digit would be 7931. 7931. If the digit in the unit digit place is 7, then the cycle repeats at what? 4. 2 is also 4, 3 is also 4, and 7 is also 4. Similarly, what you are supposed to do? Now tell me. That is what? 7, 9, 3, 1. 7 to the power of 1 is 7. 7 square is 49. 7 cube is 343. 7 to the power of 4 is 2401. Whatever the number comes, again it comes 7, 9, 3, 1. Take the power. What? Take the power. If it is 7 to the power of or 2407 whole to the power of 28, you are supposed to find the unit digit in this number. What is supposed to do? Take this 28. Take this 28. 28. Divide it by what? Not 7. 4. Why 4? Because the unit digit of 7 repeats such a cycle of the unit digit of 7 repeats such a cycle of what? 4. The unit digit of 7 repeats such a cycle of what? 4. What is supposed to do? Divide that number. 4 sevens are what? 28. 4 sevens are what? 28. The remainder is what? The remainder is 0. The remainder is 0. Now tell me, if you divide any number by 4, if the remainder is 0, obviously that unit digit would be similar to that of 7 power 4. 1 remainder 7 power 1, 2 remainder 7 power 2, 3 remainder 7 power 3, 0 remainder 7 power 4. That means here you have got 0 as the remainder. That means 2407 whole to the power of 28. The unit digit would be 1. Why 1? You have divided the power by 4 and you have got remainder as 0. If 0 is the remainder, the unit digit would be similar to that of 7 power 4. The unit digit would be similar to that of 7 power 4, where the unit digit would be what? 1. 1. I hope it's clear. So now you got all these cycles. You got 7 also. Now the two digits which I have left is 8 and 9. Check out. 8 power 1, same thing, 8 itself. 8 square is 64. 8 to the power of 3, multiply it. 8 power 4, 8 power 5. Okay. Yes. So if you multiply 64 into 8, just find the unit digit, but also I am doing it for 8 6 of 48. 8 6 of 48. 8 4 is 32. 480 plus 32 is 512. That is 8 power 3 is 512. 512. Another into 8 would be 8 power 4. That is 8 2 is 16 1. 9 4096. Another 8 would be into 8 6 of 48. Again it repeats such a cycle of 8 4 2 6 8 4 2 6. That means 8 power 1, 8 power 2, 8 power 3, 8 power 4. The unit digit of 8 also repeats such a cycle of what? Cycle of 4. Repeats such a cycle of what? 4. Repeats such a cycle of what? 4. If the digit in the units place is 2, 3, 7, 8. Repeat such a cycle of what? 4. For all these numbers, what you're supposed to do? You are supposed to multiply it. Multiply in the sense, just check it out. for 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4. If you are not able to remember also, no need to memorize these numbers, no need to by heart these numbers. In the examination hall itself, just find out 7 power 1, 7 power 2, 7 power 3, 7 power 4. Just understand the theme and concept what you are supposed to do. I hope it's clear. If it is 9, 9 power 1 is 9, 9 square is 81, 9 power 3 is 729. Of course 9 power 4 is dash dash dash, you will get what? 1. That means the cycle of 9 repeats at 9 1 9 1 9 1 9 1 9 1 9 1. The unit digit, if it is 9, then it repeats at a cycle of what? 2. It repeats at a cycle of what? 2. If it is odd, it is 9. If it is even, it is 1. If it is odd, it is 9. If it is even, it is 1. That means, I hope you have got it. 729 whole to the power of 356. 356. The unit digit in this number is 9. To find the unit digit of this entire number, the digit which is responsible is 9 itself. So what is supposed to do? You are supposed to check whether it is an odd number or even number. What number it is? It is an even number. If it is even number, then the unit digit would be 1. Why? 9 power 1 is 9. 9 power 2 is 81. So it is a even number. Since it is a even number, here it is what? 1. If it was odd, that is 349 whole to the power of 287, then the unit digit would be 9. I hope it's clear, guys. So you got the unit digit from 0 to 9. Once again, if it is 0, 0. If it is 1, 1. If it is 2, repeats at a cycle of 4. Repeat at a cycle of 4. You will divide the number by 4. 0 is the remainder, 2 power 4. 1 is the remainder, 2 power 1. 2 is the remainder, 2 power 2. 3 is the remainder, 3 power 3. Now again, for 3, again the cycle is what? Cycle is 4 itself. Again for this cycle, what happens? If it is 0 is the remainder, similar to that of 3 power 4. Similar to that of 3 power 4. That is what? 3 power 4 is 27 3 is 81. 27 3 is 81. The unit digit would be 1. That means, look here, 0, 1, 2, 3. 1 is the remainder similar to that of 3 power 1. 2 is the remainder similar to that of 3 power 2. 3 is the remainder similar to that of 3 power 3. 0 is the remainder similar to that of 3 power 4. What is 3 power 4? 3 power 4 is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 9s are 81. That means the unit digit would be what? 1. If you get 0 as the remainder, unit digit is 1. If you get 1 as the remainder, 3. If you get 2 as the remainder, 9. If you get 3 as the remainder, 7 would be the unit digit. Now, if the digit in the units place is 4, if it is odd, the unit digit would be 4. If it is even, the unit digit would be 6. I hope it's clear. If it is 5, the unit digit would be 5 itself. Write down these numbers easily. If you can practice twice or thrice, easily you can get marks in these questions. Don't miss these questions. If it is 6, 6 itself. If it is 7, again cycle of what? Again cycle of 4. What are the possible reminders? 7, 9, 3 and 1. 7, remainder is 1. Remainder is 1. What is supposed to do? Divide the power by 4. Divide the power by what? 4. Divide the power by what? 4. How? 347 whole to the power of 586. Whole to the power of 586. Take this power. Take this power. Divide it by 4. If you get 1 as the remainder, similar to the unit digit in 7 power 1. 7 power 1 is 7 itself. The unit digit would be 7 itself. If it is 9, the remainder is 2. That means if you divide the power by what? 4. If you get the remainder of 2, then the unit digit would be 9. If you divide the power by 4, why you are dividing the power by 4? You are dividing the power because it repeats its cycle of what? 4. Repeat at a cycle of what? 4. Cyclicity, if you have not understood, we'll have a Zoom session. No need to worry. If you get, what is the remainder? 3 as the remainder. 3 as the remainder, that is 343. 7 cube, that is 3 itself. If you get 0 as the remainder, 2401, the unit digit would be 1 itself. Now got for 7 and later 8. 8 also, same. 9 also, same. 9 is what? Odd. I'll tell you for 8. 9 is odd. For odd, what happens? Odd. Odd is 9. Even is 1. If you get odd power is 9. Even would be 1. That means if it is 789 whole to the power of 589. 589 is what? Odd number. Since 589 is the odd number, the unit digit would be 9. The unit digit would be 9. Similarly, find out for 8. Similarly, find out for 8. We have found out, I guess. Just I am writing so that you can make out a notes. So 8 power 1 is 8. 8 square is 64. 8 power 3 is 512. 8 power 4 is 6. Okay, 8, 4, 2, 6. If you get 0 as the remainder, unit digit would be 6. If you get 3 as the remainder, unit digit would be 2. If you get 2 as the remainder, the unit digit would be 4. If you get 1 as the remainder, the unit digit would be 8. When you will get the remainder, you're supposed to divide the exponent. That is the power. By what? 4. Why 4? Because the unit digit of 8 repeats such a cycle of what? 4. Now we have got what? 2, 3, 7, 8. These 4 numbers, unit digit repeats such a cycle of what? 4. 0, 1, 5, 6. The unit digit would be same digit itself. If it is 4 and 9, if it is odd, 4, even 6. If it is odd, 9, even 1. I hope you have got it. Understand these facts. I hope you have understood. Let's see the questions based on these themes. Let's see the questions based on these themes. Yes. The first question here is the first question. Find the unit digit of 81 into 82 into 83 into 84 into 85 into 86 into 87 into 88 into 89. What is supposed to do? Just to multiply the digit in the units place. That is 9 8s are 72. 72. The unit digit of 72 is 2. 2 7s are 56. The digit in the units place is 6. 6 6s are 36. The digit in the units place is 6. 6 5s are 30. The digit in the units place is 0. Once you get 0, right? 0 4s are 0. 0 3s are 0. 0 2s are 0. 0 1s are 0. So the unit digit would be what? The unit digit would be 0. I hope you have missed it. I hope it's clear. Once again, 8 9s are 72. 2 7 2s are 14. 4 6 4s are 24. 4 4 5s are 20. 0. The unit digit would be what? 0. The unit digit would be what? 0. I hope you have understood. Just option, I think there is a typing error. I hope it's clear. In the first kind of problems, just you are multiplying what? The digits of unit digit. That's it. Let's see next question. Tell me the answer for this question. Tell me the answer for this question. You are supposed to tell. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 6 1s are 6. 6 5s are 30. The unit digit 0. 0 5s are 0. 0 7s are 0. The unit digit would be 0. Whatever the number comes. Sometimes UPSC tends to make you confused here. They'll give a n number and you'll get a digit as 0 or somewhere like this and they'll put 1 0. If there is 1 0, you have learned the concept of finding the number of zeros in the previous classes. If you get 0 in the product, the unit digit would be 0. Let's see next question. Okay. Yeah. Now look here, guys. These are second type of questions. See here, if it is 24 into 32, if it is multiplication, you are multiplying. 4 2s are 8. But here, if a symbol comes of addition, if it is addition, what you are supposed to do? You are supposed to add. You are supposed to add. Look here now. That means, if you add 24 plus 32, what would be the unit digit? You are adding the digits in the unit place, right? You are adding the digits in the units place. That is 24, 32, 4 plus 2 what? 6. The digit in the units place is what? 6. You are adding. If comes what? Plus comes. Same. Apply it. Apply it. Find the unit digit of 67 into 35. Find the unit digit of 67 into 35. 7 5s are 35. 7 5s are 35. One more multiplication symbol is there. 5 5s are 25. The entire unit digit is dash dash. Here it would be 5. Dash dash. Here it would be 5. Now, I hope it's visible. Here it is what? 5. Here plus again 1 2s are 2. 2 3s are 6. 6 2s are 12. Dash dash whatever that comes 2. Now what is supposed to do? The digits 5 digit 2. 5 plus 2 is what? 7. The unit digit it was. The unit digit would be 7. Guys, do these problems thoroughly. There will be a question on unit digit. You should be able to solve a question on unit digit. Let's see next question. Find the unit digit of 432 into 532 plus 532 into 974 plus 537 into 531 plus 947 into 997. Look here. You're supposed to find the unit digit of these two product. 2 2s are 4 plus 4 2s are 8 plus 7 into 1. That's 7 plus 7 sevens are 49. You are adding all the digits in the units place. That is 4, 8, 7, it's 9. Add it. That is 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 7 is 12 plus 9 is 21. 21 plus 7 is 28. Here will give 8 to carry. I'm bothered about only unit digit. That unit digit would be what? 8. That is option A would be the correct answer. I hope you are understanding. You have solved the questions based on multiplication, and if there comes what? Addition between two product. I hope it's clear. Let's see next question. Okay. Now, if there is unit digit A into B, you know to find out A into B plus C into D, you know to find the unit digit when the numbers are like this. If the numbers are, find the unit digit 2 square into 4 power 4 into 6 power 6 into 8 power 8 into, look here, if it is 2 power 2, what is the unit digit? 4. If it is 4 power 4, don't multiply everything. 4 power 4 means 4 power 4, 4, odd or even. It is even. 4 power digit would be 4. 4 power 2 unit digit 16. 4 power 3 unit digit would be 64. That means for odd it is 4, for even it is 6. It is what? Even. For it would be what? 6. Here 6 power 6. 6 power 6. If the unit digit in the 6, the unit digit, whatever the power is, the unit digit would be what? 6 itself. So it would be 6 itself into 8 power 8. 8 power 8. 8 power 8 repeats as a cycle of what? 4. 8 power 8 repeat as a cycle of what? 4. What is supposed to do? Take this power. Take this power. Divide it by 4. Divide the power by what? 4. 4 2s are 8. So the remainder is what? 0. If the remainder is 0, if it is 8 power 1, 1 is the remainder, 8 power 1 itself. If it is 2 is remainder, 8 square. 8 square is what? 64. 4 would be the unit digit. If it is 8 power 3, that means if I had got the 3 as remainder, then that would be 512. If I got 8 power 4, 8 power 4, 8 2s are 16. That the remainder would be what? The unit digit would be what? 6. If the remainder is 0. If the remainder is 0, the unit digit would be 6. That means here 6. You're supposed to find the unit digit here. 6 6 are 36. 6 6 are 36. 6 4 are 24. The unit digit would be 4. The unit digit would be 4. I hope it's clear. It's audible as well. Any doubts here? No doubts. Let's see next question. Okay. Find the unit digit of 173 to the power of 45 into 152 to the power of 77, 777 to the power of 999. What is supposed to do? You are supposed to find the unit digit of the number in the units place for the entire number. For this number, the digit is 3. 3 repeats its cycle of what? 4. 3 repeats its cycle of what? 4. What is supposed to do? Take the power. Take the power. Divide the power by 4. Why 4? The unit digit of 3 repeats its cycle of what? 4. You have divided by 4. 4 ones are 4. 0, 5 brought down, 4 ones are 4. What is the remainder? 1 is the remainder. That means 173, that is 3 to the power of 45, 3 to the power of 45 unit digit would be same as that of, what is the remainder? 1, that is 3 power 1. Then the unit digit here would be 3 power 1 as well. So here the unit digit would be 3. Now for 2, take the power. 77 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4, 3 remainder, 7 brought down, 4 9s are 36, 1 is the remainder. Remainder is again what? 1. Here it is into or plus. It is into. If 1 is the remainder, the unit digit would be similar to that of 2 power 1 itself. 2 power 1 unit digit would be 2 itself into. Similarly, find out for 7 to the power of 9. 777 to the power of 999. You're supposed to find the unit digit of what? 7 itself. What is supposed to do? Take the power, that is 999 divided by what? 7 divided by what? 4 2s are 8, 1 is the remainder 19, 4 4s are 16, 3. Just divide the last 2 digit. What would be the remainder? The same remainder would be for the entire number. If not, you do it. 3 brought down, 9 brought down, 4 9s are 36, 3 is the remainder. The remainder is what? 3. If you divide 999 by 3, sorry, by 4, the remainder would be 3. The remainder would be 3. Now, the unit digit of 777 to the power of 999, 777 to the power of 999 will be similar to that of 7 to the power of 3. What is 7 to the power of 3? 343. Then the unit digit would be 3 itself into what? 3. Into what? 3. Now you are supposed to find the unit digit. 3 2s are 6. 6 3s are 18. The unit digit is 8. The unit digit is 8. I hope it's clear. Guys, learn these concepts. Let's see next questions. Okay. Now, tell me the unit digit of this number. You should be able to solve it by looking at the question itself. There is no need to find out the answer. There is no need to find out solution for this. Any unit digit, as soon as you see the question, easily you can answer. Have a bit patience and learn the concept thoroughly, properly. Find the unit digit of 1 to the power of 1, 2 square, 3 to the power of 3, 4 power, so on and so forth into 100 to the power of 0. What is the remainder? Now we are supposed to tell what is the unit digit? 0. Unit digit is 0. As soon as I look into the question, I will tell that the unit digit is equal to 0. Why? There comes a number with 100 to the power of 100. Whatever the number is, 0 is there, 0 unit digit. If there is 0 in your equation, then the unit digit would be 0 itself. But you have to check whether there is plus or multiplication symbol. It is multiplication symbol, hence the unit digit would be 0 itself. Multiply. Anywhere if you multiply, you will get dash, 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 so on and so forth. The unit digit would be 0. Let's see next question. Okay. Now, if it is subtraction, same thing. 7 to the power of 95. To find the unit digit of 7 to the power of 95, 7's unit digit repeats its cycle of what? 4. 7 unit digit repeats its cycle of 4. If it is 7 to the power of 1, it is 7. 7 square, it is 49. 7 to the power of 3, it is 343. 7 to the power of 4, it is 2401. Cycle repeats. Take out the power. 95 divided by what? 4. If I divide it by 4, remainder would be okay. 4 2s are 8, 1 15, 4 3s are 12. Remainder would be 3. Remainder is 3. Then the unit digit would be similar to the top 7 to the power of 3. That means here the unit digit would be dash 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 3 minus 3 to the power of 58. 3 power 58. What is supposed to do? Again the unit digit repeats its cycle of what? 4. Divided by 4. 4 1s are 4, 18. 4 4s are 16. Remainder is what? 2. Remainder is what? 2. For 3, the cycle repeats at what? 4. Intervals of 4. If it is 2, it is also equal to 3 square, which is equal to 9. 3 square, then the unit digit would be 3 square, then the unit digit would be 9. Okay, so 9. Look here, what is supposed to do? When you are multiplying here, just when you are multiplying here, obviously will take carry from the previous number. Okay, fine. I have got 3 minus 9. Look here properly. These problems has to be solved properly. Dash dash, you got 3. Dash dash, you got 9. Now, while subtracting, what you will do? If you are not able to subtract this from this, don't get confused. UPSC traps here. It's a PYQ. 9 minus 3, 6. Don't look for 6. Okay, look here. This becomes, when you carry 1 from here, this becomes 13. 13 minus 9 would be 4. 4. The unit digit would be then 4. I hope it's clear. Now you have got, if it is multiplication, you know to find out the unit digit. If it is addition, you know to find out the unit digit. If it is subtraction also, you know to find out the unit digit. Just don't worry about the digits in other places. Just find the unit digit by using the unit digit itself. Now let's see, find the unit digit of 1 to the power of 1 plus 2 square plus 3 cube plus so on and so forth up to 10 power 10. Find out. 1 to the power of 1 is, sorry, if it is plus 1 square is 1 to the power of 1 is unit digit of 1 itself. 2 square is 4 itself. 3 power 3 is 3 power 3 is 3 power 3 is 3 cube is 27. Then the unit digit would be 7. If it is 4 power what? 4 power 4. Just add the digits of units place. That's it. 4 power 4. 4 is even. If it is even, it would be, if it 4 power 1 is 4. 4 square is 16. So Square means even. Even power would be 6 as the unit digit. Odd power would be 4 as the unit digit. Here it is even power. Then the unit digit would be 6. Obviously later comes 5. So for 5 it would be 5 itself. Later comes what? 5, 6. The irrespective of the power, the unit digit 6 to the power of any number, the unit digit would be 6 itself. Now we are supposed to find out for 7. Look here, 7 to the power of what? 7. Obviously 7 unit digit also repeats a cycle of what? 4. You are dividing it by 4. If you divide 7 by 4, the remainder would be 3. That means 7 to the power of 7 unit digit would be similar to that of 7 cube. That is 343. Where did this 3 come from? Divide this 7. This 7 by what? 4. If you divide this 7 by 4, the remainder would be 3. So 7 to the power of 7 unit digit would be equal to 7 to the power of 3. Now here the unit digit would be what? 3 plus, take out for 8, take out for 8, 8 to the power of 8. If it is 8 to the power of 8, 8 to the power of 8, take out this power, divide the power by 4, cycle of 4, remainder would be 0. That means it would be equal to 8 power 4. If it is 8 power 4 dash 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 what? 666. I hope it's clear. Remember those numbers, or you can easily find out those numbers also. How to find out the numbers? Look here. 8 power 1 is 8. 8 square is 64. 8 to the power of 3 is multiplied. Again you are multiplying it by 8. 8 4s are 32, that is 512. No need to multiply the entire number, just find the unit digit. Now if it is 8 power 4, you will multiplying it by again by 8. 8 2s are what? 16, 6 1 carry. So the numbers are least bothered. I am supposed to worry about only the unit digit numbers. Unit place digits. The unit digit would be 6. So if it is 8 power 8, the unit digit would be 6y, remainder would be 0. Again 9 power 9, 9 power 9. If 9 power 9, 9 is what? Odd. If it is odd, it would be 9 itself. If it is even, it would be 1 for 9 power. So here it is 9. Again 10 power 10 is 0. Add everything. Add everything. Add everything. How you are supposed to add to find out the unit digit? Look here guys, this problem, why I have taken this problem to solve few questions of your CDS. I need this concept you are supposed to learn. So 1 plus 4 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 6 plus 3 plus 6 plus 9. Okay, now 9 plus 6 15, 15 plus 3 18, 18 plus 6 24, 24 plus 5 29, 29 plus 6 35, 35 plus 7 42, 42 plus 4 46 plus 1 47, 7. You will go for 4 as the carry. The unit digit would be what? 7. Just add and find the unit digit. The unit digit would be what? 7. The unit digit would be what? 7. Let's see the next question. Okay, yes. Find the unit digit of the product of all the elements of the set which consists of all the prime numbers, greater than 2 but less than 2 2 2. That means you are supposed to find the unit digit of what? Product. Unit digit of product of whose numbers? Which numbers? Prime numbers from greater than 2 to lesser than 222. Look here. What are the prime numbers greater than 2? 3, 5. That is product. If it's supposed to find the product, 3 into 5 into 7 into 11 into 13, so on and so forth, I'll get some prime number. You're not supposed to write all the prime numbers. Look here. As soon as I get 5, you are supposed to multiply it to find the unit digit. 5 7s are 35. Unit digit is 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 3s are 15. Any number, if you get 5 in the entire series, the unit digit would be 5, because 5 into multiplied by any number, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 5 3s are 5 4s are, the unit digit would be 5 itself. The unit digit would be 5 itself. Sir, if it is an even power, if there is any even number, since it is greater than 2, look this concept, learn this concept very well. If it is included 2, if 2 was included means, that means from 2 to 222, I would have got 2 into 3 into 5. 5 2s are 10. You have got 0. In the entire series, the unit digit would have been 0. Since there is no 2, and no even number in the entire series up to 222. Why? Because it's a series of what? Prime numbers. It's a series of what? Prime numbers. That means 5 into any odd number, that is 5 into 1 is 5, 5 into 3 unit digit is 15, 5 into 5 unit digit would be 25, 5 into 7 the unit digit would be 35, 5 into 9 the unit digit would be 45, 5 into 13 the unit digit would be 65. But if there comes any even number, then the unit digit would have been what? 0. If any even number would have come in that series, then the unit digit would have been 0. Since there is no even number, the unit digit would be 5 itself, because 5 multiplied with any odd number, the unit digit would be 5 itself. So the unit digit is 5. Don't write all the prime numbers. Okay. Now look this question. This question was asked in your CAPF. This question was asked in your CAPF 2025. Learn this concept. Most probability this question appears in your UPSC Civil Service of 2026. Now multiply this. 3 into 1, 4 into 2 into 1, 5 into 3 into 2 into 1, plus 1 and so forth up to this. So as soon as you see here, 3 into what? 3 into 1 factorial plus 4 into what? 2 factorial plus this can be written as 3 into 2 into 1. That means 5 into what? 3 factorial plus so on and so forth up to what? Here it is 20. 20 into 18 factorial. 20 into what? 18 factorial, so on and so forth up to. Guys, here one concept which I am teaching you is, what is 1 factorial? 1 factorial is 1. 2 factorial is 2 into 1 is 2. 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1, which is equal to 6. 4 factorial is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which is equal to 6 for the 24. 5 factorial is again 5, 24 5s are, that is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which is equal to 120. Similarly 6 factorial, which is equal to 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which is equal to 720. Guys, if you observe here, after 5 factorial there comes 1 5 and 1 2. In 6 factorials also there will be 1 5 and 1 2. In 7 factorial also there will be 1 5 and 1 2. Hence any factorial greater than 5, the unit digit would be 0. Any factorial greater than 5, the unit digit would be 0. Fine? Yes, I hope it's clear. 1 factorial unit digit is 1. 2 factorial, 2, 3 factorial, 6, 4 factorial unit digit would be 4. 5 factorial unit digit would be 0. 6 factorial unit digit would be 0. 7 factorial unit digit would be 0. 8 factorial 0. 9 factorial 0. 10 factorial, there comes 2 zeros. We'll see those questions separately. I hope it's clear. Now, if you find out the unit digit of these numbers, look here. That is, let's see the unit digit. 3 into 1 factorial, 3. Here it is, plus not multiplication. 4 into 2 factorial is 2, 4 2s are 8, plus 3 factorial is 6, 3 into 2 into 1, that is 6, 6 5s are what? 30, plus again here one more number comes, that is 6 into 3 factorial, next number is 4 factorial. 4 factorial would be 24, 24 into 6 is 144, 24 into 4 factorial is 6, 4 factorial, I hope you know, everybody knows 4 factorial is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, 3 2s are 6 4s are 24, 24 6 are 26 are 120, 26 are 120, 4 6 are 24, 120 plus 24 is 144, here it is what? 144. So plus here whatever the number comes, that means there comes another number, that has 6, 7 into 5 factorial. The unit digit in the 5 factorial is 0. 0 multiplied by with the 7 is, the unit digit would be 0 itself. I hope it's clear. Hence, the number here, in the unit digit, entire the product would be 0. I hope it's clear. Now you are supposed to add, that is dash 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 0. Unit digit would be 0. How you are adding the numbers? You'll write 144. You'll write 30. You'll write again here is 8. You'll write again here is 3. You're supposed to add 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 3, 15. So 5, 1 carry. You're least bothered about the digit in tens place. You're supposed to find the unit digit. That is, the unit digit number would be 5. That is, option D would be the correct answer. Option D is 5. I'm sharing this PDF in the groups. Next question. That is unit digit. This was appeared in 2023 question paper. Let's see, that is, what is the unit digit in the expansion of 5742 whole to the power of 9 into 7 into 5 into 3 into 1. That means you are supposed to take 57242 whole to the power of, multiply this, 9 into 7 into 5 into 3 into 1. 5 3s are 15. 15, 9 7s are 63. 63 into 15. 63 into 15. If you are multiplying, 15 6s are 900. 15 3s are 45. 945. 945 multiply. 15 3s are 45. 5 4 carry. 15 6 are 90 plus 4 is 94. That is 945. You are supposed to find the unit digit of what? 2 power itself. 2 power itself. The unit digit of 2 power repeats as a cycle of what? 4. What are you supposed to do? Take this power. Take this power. 945. What you are supposed to do? Divide it by 4. Why divide it by 4? Repeats at a cycle of 4. So 4 2s are 8. 1 remainder 14. 4 3s are 12. 2 remainder 5. Just you are supposed to multiply the last 2 digits. 1 would be the remainder. But for simplification purpose, since we haven't done divisibility check yet, so I am dividing it. That's it. So 5 brought down, 4 6 are 24. To find out the remainder, when you are dividing it by 4, just check for last 2 digits. That would be more than sufficient. So the remainder would be 1. That means this 2 power 945 unit digit would be similar to that of 2 power. What is the remainder? 1 is the remainder. That means 2 power 1 is 2. The unit digit would be 2. That is option A would be the correct answer. I hope it's clear. The concepts are clear, I guess. If it comes factorial or whatever it is, fine. Okay. Let's see few questions in your civil service itself. Multiple times they have asked. Let's see how. I think we have solved this question. Similar question it is. But what is the rightmost digit preceding the zeros in the value of 30 to the power of 30? 30 to the power of 30. That means, look here. You are supposed to find the okay, 30 to the power of 30. 30 to the power of 30 in the units place. How much? 30. Okay, break this 30. Break this 30. That is, this can be written as 3 into 10 whole to the power of 30. 3 into 10 whole to the power of 30. Obviously, here whatever that is, this can be written as 3 to the power of 30 into 10 to the power of 30. Here there comes 30 zeros. That means you are supposed to find the unit digit in 3 to the power of 30. Obviously, it will be continued part is 0 0 0 0. That's how you come. It comes, right? Yes. So to find the unit digit of 30, to find the unit digit of 3 to the power of 30, 3's unit digit repeats its cycle of what? 4. What is supposed to do? Take 30, divide it by 4. 4 7s are 28. Remainder is what? 2. Of course, 3 to the power of 30th unit digit, 3 to the power of 30th unit digit would be similar to that of 3 square, which is 9. 9 followed would be how many zeros? It would be 30 zeros. Here the question is what? They are asking you the digit preceding to zeros. That means here one digit is there. Those it will be followed by how many zeros? 30 zeros. I have splitted it. I hope it is clear. So here it would be 9 would be the answer. So that is option D would be the correct answer. Okay. Now this was asked in your 2025 this year question it is. What is the unit digit in the multiplication of 1 into 3 into 5 into 7 into 9 into so on and so forth? 99. Now you should be able to solve. These are what? 1, 3, 7, 9. These are all what? Odd numbers. These are all what? Odd numbers. And there comes what? 5. There comes what? 5. There comes what? 5. 5 multiplied with any odd number, the unit digit would be 5. If it would have been any even number, if there was any even number, then the unit digit would have been 0. Then the unit digit would have been 0. Okay. I hope it's clear. The answer would be 5. Let's see next question. Okay. That's it, guys. I hope you have learned how to solve the questions based on to find out the unit digit. UPSC odd favorite topic is unit digit. Please do these questions very thoroughly. That's it for the day. Thanks. We'll meet tomorrow in one more theme, that is in one more topic. So probably that completes your number system. In number system, I hope you have learned the multiple topics. We'll consolidate it and we shall try to conduct a test on this Sunday. Thank you guys. We'll meet in the next session.